Today's video tutorial, I'm going to share with you how you can change the location of your TikTok account. Changing your TikTok region is crucial for accessing diverse content, staying updated with regional trends, and ensuring compliance with local regulations for privacy and security. By adjusting your region settings, you can explore a wider range of content, engage with different communities, and take advantage of features tailored to specific regions. To do this, simply head into your TikTok. On your profile page, tap on these three lines and head into your settings and privacy. On the settings page, select the option of privacy. Tap on location services right here. To change your account region, you will have to first delete your previous location history. Tap right here to delete. Then get back and head into your phone settings. On this page, select General. Tap right here on Language and Region. Select the option of region. Choose any region of your own choice. Tap on Change and your phone system settings will get changed to the selected region successfully. When changed, your TikTok account will bear will that region since the previous location history was deleted. That's how easy it is to change region of your TikTok account. If you have any questions, just let me know in the comments section down below. Please don't forget to leave a like, share, and subscribe for more informative tutorials like this one.